Hi, in this video of HTML, we will be looking at HTML video element. The HTML video element is used to show a video on a web page. So the video element, you can set width, height and controls, and within the video element there is a source tag in which you give the path and file name of the video to be played in the src attribute, and you set the type of the video, either it's mp4 or ogg, and as a third thing, as a text, you can say your browser does not support this video tag. This text will be displayed to the user if both the source tags didn't work out. So let's see this in running example. First of all, create a project file. So let's create html video.html, and let's create a video tag, and we say width 320 and height, let's say 240, and we say controls. Okay, and we have source equals video.mp4, and we have the type, and it's video slash mp4, and let's close the source tag, and then we have source src equals video.ogg, format type equals video slash ogg, and close it. Then we have the text, your browser does not support the video tag, and let's close the video tag, save the file, and let's run this example in the browser. You see we have the video still in the browser, so you can play the video. So let's see how it works. The control attribute adds video controls like play, pause and volume. It is a good idea to always include width and height attributes. If height or width are not set, the page might flicker while the video loads. The source element allows you to specify alternative video files which the browser may choose from. The browser will use the first recognized format. The text between the video and the closing video tags will not be displayed in browsers that do not support the video element. So there is a property autoplay. To start a video automatically, use the autoplay attribute. So this autoplay attribute can be set within the video starting tag. Please note that the autoplay attribute does not work in mobile devices like iPad and iPhone. So let's see and add the autoplay control. Okay, let's autoplay, save the file and go to the browser, reload the browser. You see that we have the autoplay tag on. Okay, HTML video methods, properties and events. The HTML DOM defines methods, properties and events for the video element. This allows you to load, play and pause videos, as well as setting duration and volume. There are also DOM events that can notify you when a video begins to play, is paused, etc. That's it for this HTML video. See you next time with a new topic.